It's not a stretch to say that Tiger Woods' first Masters as a professional was one of the most anticipated golf tournaments of all time. Woods had played at Augusta National in 1995 and 1996 as an amateur, and he had qualified for the 1997 Masters by winning the U.S. Amateur for an unprecedented third year in a row. He forfeited that automatic invitation by turning professional, but it didn't take him long to qualify for Augusta. He won twice in 1996, and he added a win early in January. Those victories only fueled the hype. By the time Tiger arrived in Augusta, he was the talk of the tournament. Defending champion Nick Faldo and Greg Norman, who had famously collapsed the year before, had to share the spotlight. Tiger's first round, though, got off to an inauspicious start. He bogeyed the first hole, then the fourth, eighth, and ninth. He made the turn in 4 over 40. Then he caught lightning in a jar. He birdied number 10. He chipped in for a birdie at the 12th and added another at the 13th. After a mammoth drive at number 15, Woods had only a wedge into the par 5 hole. He stuffed it close and made the putt for eagle. A birdie at the 17th gave him a 30 on the second 9 and put him back in contention. Tiger didn't let the opportunity go to waste. He shot 66 in the second round to take the lead and added 65 in the third round to open up a sizable advantage. The question heading into Sunday's final round wasn't if Tiger was going to win, it was by how much. 12 strokes turned out to be Tiger's margin of victory over runner-up Tom Kite. He broke dozens of records, including the 72-hole scoring record, and became the youngest golfer to win the Masters. He was just 21. Tiger Woods also made history by becoming the first black golfer to win one of golf's major championships. Woods would add 13 more majors and dozens of PGA Tour events to his resume after the 1997 Masters, but no tournament was more significant in his career. A legend was born that week, and it happened in Augusta.